All right, gotta get my face together, y'all, because Blue is going out tonight. Got that phone call. So I'm gonna try out this, upside down. It's this Colossal Bubble Mascara by Maybelline that is only on TikTok. So the link should be down below. And I am quite excited. I use another one, the Maybelline mascaras that I love so much. And I've never seen this, I've never tried this, I only heard about it on TikTok. So we're gonna give this a shot, this Colossal Bubble. All right, so I have no mascara on. I don't wear lashes, so I totally rely on mascara to thicken the lashes. My lashes are really, really light, right? Or they're thin, but they're there, right? So once I put something good on there, it pops out. So let's just see. Alright, so the first thing I do is I just do a light coat with the tip, and then I brush, right? And I can just tell just from, I can tell just from when I do my initial coat, this is gonna be the lick. See there? And this is barely a coat. This is barely a coat. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. All right, and so then we're gonna let that set, and I'm gonna come over and do this side. Okay, Maybelline. Okay, Maybelline. I'm gonna just kind of lightly hit it with some of this that's already on the tip. Look at that. And I haven't even brushed yet. And then pop it on. Oh yeah, man. Yep, I just found my new mascara. And I've got bottles and bottles and bottles of mascara. Look at that. You can find a little bit with the tip of that. That's just one coat. I feel like I made a boo-boo right here. But honey, we'll fix that when we fix that. We'll get this makeup together. Right now, we're just hitting this second coat. Because you always let that first one set before you put that second coat on. And baby, look at this. It looks like I've got on extensions. And these are my lashes with this Maybelline Colossal Bubble. And baby, when I tell you it's colossal, it's colossal. Look at that. This is coat number 2. Coat number 2. Look at that, even from afar, coat number 2. And you would think that I have individual lashes on. Incredible. Work. Yep. You know, I used to be the girl to go and spend $50, $60 on mascara. Not anymore. I stopped that a long time ago. Once I start seeing what Maybelline could do, and Maybelline is my go-to for my mascara. I just didn't know they had this colossal situation. I did not know they had this colossal situation out. This is coat number 2. Coat number 2. Perfect. Perfect. And if I wanted to go darker, I could. If I wanted to go darker, I could. But I'm good right there. Now I'm gonna just pop a little bit at the bottom. Because I like Betty Boop lashes. Yeah, I had to make my face go like that, y'all. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep, that works. That works, that works. That's all I need. I like a minimalist look. I don't like heavy makeup, but I can beat up a face if I want to, but not tonight, per request. This is Colossal Bubble from Maybelline. Hit the link, grab you some. You can go out and buy yourself a little sandwich. You can get that and make your natural lashes look like you have on falsies, right? And still have that dramatic effect. I can go heavier if I want to. I don't need to. This is perfect for me. All right? All right, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. So you can get away from having to do that daily stuff with your lashes, man. Do that. You saw how thin my lashes were. And look what it did. Now imagine if I put on like 2 more coats. Popped. All right, Ashe.